Dear students, today we will learn or discussion about the ninth class, second language, second poem, The Gratefulness. Before we consider in this poem, we get on someone to help. What will be your reaction? Thank you and so much. I heartily congratulations. I heartily congratulations of my bottom of heart. So many words we can use to them. This poem is congratulations. The grateful. It means a grateful. Gratefulness means it means expression of gratitude. Expression of gratitude. Expression of gratitude. In this poem is written by the Joseph T. Rinaldi. Joseph T. Rinaldi is well-known poet as well as author in English. He was born on 13th of October 1921. He was born on 13th October 1921 at Windberg in Pennsylvania. He was born on Joseph T. Rinaldi was born on 13th October 1921 at Windberg in Pennsylvania. He has more years or so many years spent due to work, especially in education field or education department. More than 40 years he has been spent more than 40 years in the especially education department. After his retirement, since his retirement, he spent lot of time in his visual arts. More than 40 years, he has been spent in the field of education or education department. After his retirement, since today, he has been a retired employee. Today, he was lot of time or much of time to spend in his visual arts. Visual arts as especially the skillful of writings, the different types of writings and paintings, drawing and woodcraft. Woodcraft means making a wood, making a design or making a dog with the use of wood. His popular poems are a binding relationship. He has been written more than poems that one has considered or one or two has considered One is a best poem, a binding relationship or to control or pens with the around his or around him with his relationship. The birthday greeting and a beautiful harvest. His greatest poems are the binding relationship, a birthday greetings and a beautiful harvest. He is the author of Willing Wind, and another one is his written book is The Wind Willing, a tale of love and absence, and the assessment of poetry. His great poem is Graduation Day. His great poem is the Graduation Day is the most readable of almost all in the world. Most of people can be read in this poem or in this poem the Graduation Day. Today, dear students, in the pre-reading task, in this poem, introduced in this poem, every woman being blessed with such organs, especially eyes, ears, nose, mouth, especially lip, throat, all these organs blessed by him or blessed by the God. God is a creator of the global. God is a creator of the global and blessed our organs. Blessed to me our organs, all such type of organs. The poet Joseph P. Renaldi too grateful to the God or grateful for God because he was blessed humankind of all such organs, all the organs. That organs are eyes, ears, hands, legs, heart, mind. So these are the organs blessed by him or blessed by the Creator or blessed by the God. Because we are thankful to the God. We are thankful for the God because He was blessed all these organs. All these organs we can live easy and comfortable life today. Can you imagine, dear students? Can you imagine? Never your eyes. Never let your eyes. Too easy. Are you easy to leading the life? Never. The God was not blessed by the eyes for me. Can you imagine? One day you cannot able to lead easily or comfortable life without the eyes. As same as without the hands. Imagine, can you imagine? Without the hands, one day, can you lead the comfortable life or easily life? You are leading your life? No, never. Because we are grateful for the God. We are grateful for the God because the Joseph P. Renaldi was grateful or thankful for the God or thankful for the eyes because the eyes can be help of see or saw. The eyes is help of me in the see or saw. Because we are thankful for the eyes we are thankful for the God because God is a creator. God is a creator, or God is all the human kinds of the organs or human bodies of the organs was blessed by Him or blessed by the God because we are thankful for the God. Joseph P. Renaudi, the gratefulness in this poem is gratefulness. Grateful it means to the expression of to be expression of gratitude, to be expression of gratitude. To be expression of gratitude. Gratitude it means a krutagnate. Gratitude it means krutagnate. Who is a creator? God is a creator. Who is blessed by me? All the organs. The Lord is blessed by me, all these organs. Because we are thankful for the God. Because we are thankful for the God or grateful for the God. Dear students, you all consider one more word, great. This is called as a homopause. Great. What is the meaning by homopause? Which words are different meanings? Different spelling, but the same pronunciation is called as a homopause. Which words are different spelling, different meaning, and same pronunciation is called as a homopause. Here they say G-R-E-A-T, great. G-R-A-T, great. G-R-E-A-T, great, it means Mahan, proud of. Mahan. Great means gratitude, krutagnate. G-R-A-T, gratitude. G-R-E-A-T, great. The same pronunciation, but the spelling is different and the meaning is so different. Joseph P. Renaudi, dear students, let us come to the introduction part of this poem. Every human being is blessed with such organs as eyes, ears, lips, hands. Human beings have also a heart to love and a mind that gives them the ability to help others. All these organs, we can use in more useful of the works. Can you imagine without eyes, one day you cannot be easy to lead in your life. You cannot be leading your comfortable life because without the eyes you cannot able to saw, you cannot able to see every activities or all the activities. Without the eyes, without the hands, imagine to your one day you are imagine without the hands. No. You are comfortable done. You are not easy to done in our activities or in our all the many works or many tasks. Because hands are using the help of many works. Eyes are using all the activities are done by me. Because we are grateful, or Joseph P. Renaudi was grateful. You suggest to grateful for the all these organs. We can suggest. Human beings have also a heart. Very important part. having a heart, we can use kindness. You can help of the other peoples or other difficult tasks, other poor peoples. I can help. I can sympathize. I can sympathize them with the heart. With the heart. Especially there, we are great. We are great. Human beings have also a heart to love and mind, especially the great part of our human bodies. Especially great part of our human body, it is blessed by the God. We are one more grateful. We are one more grateful for the God because He is blessed. He is blessed to me. The special part. The mind is head of our human bodies. Head of the organs in the human bodies. Because the mind is suggest every part. The mind is suggest to every part of human beings to doing a work or good work or bad work. Because the mind, because we are grateful for, so we are grateful for special grateful or grateful to the mind because this is to easily leading our life, easily comfortable life, having a mind. Give them the ability to help others. Give them ability to help others. When we can happen or we can having a mind to helpful to others. The mind is suggest all the organs. Mind is suggest the hands. Mind is suggest the eyes. Go with the help of them. The poet says that one has a grateful. One it means the God. The poet says that one has to be grateful to Creator. One has to be grateful to the Creator for granting all such processions. Granting all such processions, he suggests that a good and positive use of these organs and the grace of the Creator to be made. Especially, the poet says, one has to be a grateful. One it means a Creator or God. God is a great because the God has providing all the organs in all the human bodies. Because the God is great. Because we are thankful or because we are grateful for the God. Because He was providing for all these organs, especially eyes, hands, mind, and heart, and legs. These organs. All such processions, he suggests that a good and positive use of the organs. When I was born, he was suggest me. These all these organs to using a good activities or positive thought. Not a negative thought, not a negative work. Only you can use only a positive task or positive thoughts, or positive thoughts. He can suggest to me, or he can suggest for them or him or us, using organs and the grace of the Creator to be made. Dear students, let us come to the part of the poem. Gratefulness. Gratefulness, it means to be procession, to be expression of gratitude, to be expression of thankful. Grateful, it means to be expression of gratitude or to be expression of thankful. Joseph T. Stanley, Joseph T. Renaudi. Read the first paragraph. I am grateful for the eyes. I am grateful for the eyes that I can see. That I can see the activities that can be done by me. I am grateful for the ears. I am grateful for the ears that I may hear the sobbing of those who need me near. I am grateful for the lips that might speak words of comfort and feast to all who seek. I am grateful for the mind that I might know how to aid these who need me so. I am grateful for the hands. I am grateful for the hands that I might do some orders or simple tasks for you. I am grateful for the ability to always to pray, to give me the strength and guidance every day. Last two lines, very important. I am grateful for one thing, that is heart. I am grateful for one thing, all else above, that I was given a heart, that I was given a heart, that I may love, that I may love. To describe the discussion about the first paragraph. I am grateful for the eyes. I am grateful for the eyes. I am thankful for the eyes because that can be used, that can be seen, that can be see everything or all the activities. We can be able to all the activities. We can be able to see or we can watch everything in the society or in the nature. We can watch. We can be able to watch everything because with the help of eyes, because we are grateful for the eyes. We are grateful for the God because He was granted these organs. Because He was granted. The God has granted to these organs or eyes. Because we are thankful for the God. We are thankful for the eyes. Because we can be able to see, we can be able to watch every work or every activities done by me. And done by me. Can be done by me. All the activities that can be done by me. And next line. I am grateful for the ears. I am grateful for the ears. I am thankful for the ears. That can be help of hearing, showing others need me so. Nearby people or seeking people or seeking the help of people in the nearby me, we can help them. Or I can help them. Through the ears, through the eyes, through the heart. These are organs, all these organs blessed by Him are blessed by God. Because we are thankful for the God. We are grateful for the God. Especially eyes, especially ears, especially heart. I am grateful for the ears that I may hear. Dear students, we can observe more in this poem using more model words. Model words means one type of a words, model words, models. models. Models it means will, would, can, could, not a could, may, might, shall, should. These are all the models. These are all the models using the help of in the future times. In the future times. Where we can using the simple or present future tense, we can using these models. In the future past times, we can using these models. Currently, May, the poet or Joseph T. Rinaldi using more can models can and may, could and might. These two models are using repeatedly in this poem. Currently, can, ability, capability, show the capability. Can, good, his ability. And may, to request. May I come in, sir? May I come in, sir? With the help of the permission. With the help of the permission. Might. I can done this work. I can able to done this work. Might. I might hear. With the help of he, help of his. ಕಿವಿಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಬಲ್ಲೆ. The sowing means sow. Sowing it means crying. Crying by who need me so. Crying who need me near. ನನ್ನ ಸಮೀಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ ಕಷ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರೋ ಅವರ ಕಷ್ಟವನ್ನ ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ to help the aid because we are thankful for the aids or we are thankful for the God because he is providing for me. Because he is providing it for me. ನನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಆತ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ we are thankful for the God. Next, second paragraph. I am grateful for the lips. I am grateful for the lips. I having a lips. To using the help of the might words or using the comfortable words to others. I can using a comfortable words. I can using a comfortable word with the help of others. With the help of lips. I am grateful for the lips that might speak. Words of comfort and peace. Words of comfort and peace to all who see. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದರ ಸಂತೋಷ comfort. It means comfort. It means to make somebody who is worried or feel better. Who is worried or feel better. It means comfort means in Kannada meaning ಸಂತೈಸು ಅಥವಾ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಪಡಿಸು. our words to comfort to them. Our words are comfort to or peaceful to them or who seek to them. I am grateful for the lips that I might speak words of comforts, using the more suitable words or comfortable words with the help of crying people, with the help of poor peoples. Feast to all who seek. I am grateful for the mind. Already I told, the mind is the head of the human body. Mind is the head of the human body. I am grateful for the mind that I might know how to aid those who need me so. Aid means help. To help to others. Mind is suggest to him or suggest to me. Help to others. Help to poor peoples. Helps to beggars. So suggest them. So suggest to me. Mind is suggest to me. Or mind is suggest to my hand, my eyes. Because the mind is a head of the human body. It is control all the organs of human bodies. The mind is controlling all human bodies or all human organs. I am grateful for the mind that I might now or able or capable or I can able to watch or I can able to know. That is a difficult task. That is a simple task or difficult task. That is a poor people or that is a beggar peoples. But when that time the mind suggests to me or mind suggests to my hands or my other organs to help to others, to help to him. Because mind is a head of the human body or mind is a control all the organs of the human bodies. And how to aid, how to help those who need me so. Those who need me so. Next, third paragraph. I am grateful for the hands. That I might doing or that I might do some orders or simple tasks for you. The God is provide the hand to me with the help of some orders or difficult task or simple task. With the help of the simple and hardest task or difficult task. Orders it means involving a lot of effort. Involving a lot of effort or energy. Orders means involving lot of effort. It means a difficult task or difficult works. Orders it means a difficult works or it means a involving. We can involving a lot of difficult or lot of effort task to using the hands. With the help of using the hands in the difficult or simple task. Because we are grateful for the God. We are thankful for the God. Or hand. I am grateful for the hands that I might do some orders or simple tasks for you. The hands is help with help of simple and hard task for me or you. Second, I am grateful for the ability. The God is providing to me ability, providing for ability. Because we are grateful for the God. We say, the poet, the Joseph P. Rinaldi says, we are thankful these organs. We are thankful for these organs, especially eyes. It can be able to watch everything or every activities. Second one is ears. It can be easily hearing, showing the near and far, showing or crying a near and far, or some distance. And then the lips, we can using a suitable words to our mouth. To using the lips, it can be using a suitable words in our mouth or speak. In our crying people or poor peoples. And then mind is a great and fastest than the wind. Mind is the fastest than the wind. ಗಾಳಿಗಿಂತಲೂ ವೇಗವಾಗಿ ಓಡುತ್ತೆ and early captured in the different situations. I am grateful for the mind. And then hands using the ability of done the work to easy or difficult task. And ability, I am grateful for the ability that God has given to me, that God has given to us. The special organs is the ability. Special organs of the ability, because we can thankful for the God. Because we can thankful for the God, so that He can provide, that He was provide these organs, or ability organs, to always to pray, to give me the strength. Give me the strength and guidance every day. We are praying. We are get up early in the morning. Washing a face, and after the bath, go to the temple or God rooms or puja rooms and pray to the God. We can provide the ability. You can give me a ability. You can give me a strength to done the hard task, to done the hard or easy task. We can pray using the help of ability. And guidance every day. The last thing, I am grateful for one thing. All else above, eyes, ears, minds, hands, lips. These are the organs such as equal to the heart. Heart is grateful than these organs. I am grateful for the one thing, all else above, that I was given a heart, that I may love in the surrounding people or neighbor peoples. I can able to love in the neighbor peoples or neighbor persons or surrounding peoples. Without a heart in our human body, we cannot be able to love. Other than the peoples or or difficult peoples or poor peoples, because we are thankful for the God. Especially one more thankful, one more gratitude of the gods, because the God has creating all these organs for me, not him. Because we are thankful for the especially one more thankful. I heartily congratulation. We are get up early in the morning. First thankful for the God, and then your parents, mother and fathers, and then Guru. These works done by me with the help of these organs. Get up early in the morning, washing your face and bath, after you go to the puja room and pray to the God. These all the activities to done by the mind, especially the mind. Mind is suggested to the all organs. Mind is suggested to the all organs to be done the activities. All the organs as controlling the mind. All the organs as controlling the mind as well as heart. Because we are thankful for the God, or we are thankful for the one more thankful for the Creator. Thank you. That is this small poem, and this is the memorization of the poem, because you are writing in our notes and should write a comfortable of the in this poem. Thank you.